Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Twitter account permanently from your PC. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser and search for Twitter. Make sure that you are logged in on your PC, and after that on the left side you can see the three dots. Click it. This is the more option. Click it and go to settings and privacy here. And here you can see on the bottom of the right screen, you can see the option deactivate your account. Click that option. And here you can see this line, you can restore your X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days. That means if you want to recover your account, you can recover it within 30 days. After 30 days of deactivation, your account will be permanently banned. And now to deactivate, simply click it here and just give it your password and select deactivate, and your Twitter account will be deleted. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will see you guys in the next video.